Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this absolutely superb Ford Kuga ST line diesel. The vehicle absolutely looks superb. It does not look like the age or miles. It drives fantastic. It's got a huge spec. As you can see, we've got a nice Continental Goodyear tyre on the car. Diamond cut alloy wheels, finishing beautiful graphite grey. Front park distance control. Lovely body kit. Don't usually get the colour coded body kit. Rear park distance control. It's got a very comprehensive service history, if not full. Boot area is in lovely condition, just not being used and abused at all. Got the Titanium X Sport interior, half leather Alcantara red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's a 117,237 miles. Starts up fantastically. Climate control, air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, volume control, phone. It's got Bluetooth connectivity. Aux down there. It's just park pilot, park distance control. Satellite navigation. So home button. So you've got audio, DAB as well. At DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.